Hi friends, my name is Amrit Sahai. I am from Beltech University final year EC department. This presentation is all about my final year project. This project I am doing along with two of my colleagues, which are Abhishek Kumar and Anand Kumar. The topic of my project is critical state based filtering system for securing SCADA network protocols. This project is all about protecting the various setups and installations that are present in power plants and industries. This is the hardware implementation of this kit. In this kit, actually we have four set of sensors. The first one is the magnetic sensor, second one is the fire sensor, third one is the intruder sensor, and fourth one is the metal sensor. In this hardware implementation, we have a step down transformer. This step down transformer takes the input of 230 volt AC main supply and then converts it to an output voltage of 12 volt AC. This 12 volt supply is given to this half wave rectifier circuit. This is half wave rectifier circuit with a voltage regulator of operating at a voltage of 5 volts. This half wave rectifier circuit converts the incoming 12 volt signal into 5 volt DC, which is sent to the second port of 8051 microcontroller. This is the microcontroller chip that we can see here. It consists of 40 pins, and the second port pins are connected to the various four sensors. Like the 0th pin is connected to the fire sensor, first pin is connected to the magnetic sensor, second pin is connected to the metal sensor, and third pin is connected to the intruder sensor. Whenever any threat is detected by any of the sensors, the signal is directly forwarded to this amplification unit. This amplification unit consists of transistors and resistors. In this amplification circuit, the incoming signal from the microcontroller ports are being boosted up and amplified so that their strength is increased. We have another sort of IC called IC MX232, which has pins in it. Another one is the crystal oscillator. This crystal oscillator operates on a frequency of 11.05 megahertz. We have another RS232 a female pin here that is used to connect RS232 cable in it. The RS232 cable, when gets connected to it, it is then connected to an external system which has a separate SCADA based database in it. At whichever instant of time any of the threads is detected by any of the sensors, that particular system at that particular instant of time is recorded in the database for future reference and enhancement. Whichever sensor senses any sort of output, that output is, after amplification, it comes to the 16-bit LCD display. This LCD display consists of a 16-bit output which is connected to the entire circuitry. The clock of the system is synchronized with the computer's clock to which the system is connected, and at whichever instant of time any sort of threat which is detected, that is recorded in that, and then it is finally showing the output. It is very much useful because it is the kind of revolution to the conventional ICT system, which was information and communication technology. Thank you.